Hello my viewers, welcome to my vlog. In today's vlog, I'm going to show you a different way of cooking. This is the teppanyaki cooking. Teppanyaki cooking is a style of Japanese cuisine that involves grilling food on a flat iron griddle, known as a teppan. The word teppanyaki translates to grilling on an iron plate in Japanese. In teppanyaki cooking, the chef prepares the food right in front of the diners on a large, flat cooking surface. This style of cooking is often associated with entertaining and interactive dining experiences as the chef performs various cooking techniques and tricks while preparing the meal. Teppanyaki typically involves cooking a variety of ingredients, including meat, such as steak, chicken, or seafood, vegetables, and rice. The chef may also incorporate sauces, seasonings, and spices to enhance the flavors of the dishes. During the cooking process, the chef will often showcase their skills by flipping and tossing the ingredients in the air, creating a visually impressive display. They may also engage with the diners, entertaining them with jokes and tricks. Once the food is cooked, it is typically served directly from the teppan onto individual plates. Teppanyaki dishes are often accompanied by condiments such as soy sauce, ginger, and garlic, which can be used to enhance the flavors according to personal preference. Teppanyaki cooking is popular in Japanese restaurants around the world, and it has become a favorite choice for those seeking a unique and interactive dining experience. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more video updates. Thank you!